Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we are going to discuss how to reconcile GSTR2A and GSTR2B in Logic ERP. First, navigate to the Reports and Queries section. Under Sales Registers, click to open the GST Returns Reports. You will see a list of different GST return types available. Select GSTR2A from this list. Next, define the required date range and simply click on the Generate button. The GSTR2A report will then be generated, where you can view the GSTR summary. It shows details of all purchases and inward supplies reported by your suppliers on item basis, which helps you verify and reconcile your input tax credit, ITC. To begin reconciliation, look for the reconciliation option and tick the checkbox. This will enable a list of available formats that can be used to reconcile the documents. These include the JSON or zip file that you can download directly from the GST portal, the Excel format, which can also be downloaded from the portal, and the online option, which works through the GST API. Once activated in the software, the Get OTP option will be enabled. You can enter the OTP and directly fetch the GSTR2A data online. However, we will be reviewing the Excel option. Browse the Excel sheet downloaded from your device. Then, simply click on the Reconciliation button to complete the process. After the reconciliation process is completed, you will see a message stating that the reconciliation is done successfully. You can then view the inward supplies, both interstate and intrastate, from registered suppliers under the B2B tab. Here, the invoice details along with the match status are also displayed. The system uses different colored flags to show the reconciliation status. A green flag indicates a complete match between the data in the software and the GST portal. A red flag shows there is a mismatch, such as here there is a difference in the invoice amount. A pink flag means there is missing data, which indicates that a record found in the software is not present on the GST portal. An orange flag points to extra entries, which means the record is found on the GST portal but not in the software. Similarly, under the CDN tab, the credit note or debit note entries are displayed that might be issued, along with their status after reconciliation. After that, click on Generate Reconcile Document. Define the document number and then save the entry. Repeat the same process for debit note details. Enter the document number and save the entry. Next, move to GSTR2B. Choose GSTR2B from the list and click on Generate. GSTR2B displays invoice-wise data of inward supplies from registered and unregistered suppliers, credit notes, CDNs, issued by suppliers generated monthly. To reconcile GSTR2B, click on the Reconciliation option. A list will appear showing the available file formats that can be used for reconciliation, as we discussed earlier while reconciling GSTR2A. Now, browse and select the Excel file from your device, then click on the Reconciliation button to start the process. The reconciliation will be completed successfully, and you can clearly review the details along with their status. Under GSTR Purchase Register, all the purchase entries are recorded. To create the Reconcile document, click on Generate Reconcile Document, enter the document number, and save the entry. Similarly, under the CDN tab, credit note entries are recorded. Click to generate the Reconcile document for these credit notes as well. You can also use the Party Selection filter before generating the GSTR report to view data for specific suppliers. Additionally, there is an option available to add reconciled documents from previous months, which helps maintain continuity and track past reconciliations in the current report. To view the reconciled document you created, click to open the GST-R2A reconciliation report. You can find this report under the GST returns module itself. There are already two configurations created for GST-R2A and GST-R2B. You can customize and create report configurations as per your specific requirements. In the configuration, under Report Options, you can define the document status. Here, we have selected all, so you can view every document. To specify the nature of the report, you need to set it under the Report for option. Let's first view the GST-R2A reconciliation report. Start by selecting the required document using the filter and then create the report. The report will display the details and status of the reconciled document, showing all entries, whether they are matched, mismatched, missing, or extra. In similar way, you can create the GST-R to be reconciled doc report.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.